Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off background data in Android in order to save your Android phone battery. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your files right here. So locate your files manager on your Android phone. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on apps. Then it will take you to all install apps on your Android phone. Then the next thing you need to do is to select the app one after the other. So I'm going to select this particular app right here. And then I'm going to simply click on these three dots. And this is going to pop up. I'm going to simply click on app info. That's going to take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to first thing first go to notifications. Then I make sure I turn off notifications right here. By doing this, I save a lot of battery on my Android phone. And I'm going to simply go back again. The next thing we want to do here is to go to battery. So as at the time of using this particular app and as at the time of making this video, this app here is consuming about 3% of my battery. What I need to do in the background. So what I need to do is to change to restrict and I go back. And then lastly, we can also come to the storage and cache. Then we make sure we click on clear cache. So we're going to clear all cache on this particular app. Then we go back. You can go on and use all these tricks to clear all background data in order to save battery on your Android. Next, we can switch to system apps right here. Under the system apps, these are all apps that come with your Android phone. So the more you scroll down, the more you see all the apps. Like for instance, if I want to restrict the number of battery used by my drive and the storage capacity in the background, so what we need to do is to click on these three dots right here. And the next thing we want to do is to simply click on app info. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to click on notifications. Then we disable the notification right here. Then we simply go back and then we come down below under the battery right here. So we restrict the battery and we go back. Then we go to cache and storage. Then we make sure we click on cache. Then we go back. You can go on and work on your system apps right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete background data in order to improve the in order to improve the battery life of your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.